Hey loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of my first ever Chanel bag, and she is from Fashionphile. So if you would like to know what bag I picked up, please stay tuned. Hey loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and if you're new to my channel, here on my channel we cover all things designer, from contemporary all the way up to luxury, with a touch of lifestyle and fashion. So if that sounds like you, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so we are going to unbox her. It came in this big box. I did just open it up, but I did not look inside. It's just, guys, you know I'm tiny, all right? And these boxes are huge and heavy. It's just so much work. So it came in this box, and this is my first ever purchase, not only for a Chanel bag, but also from Fashionphile. I've worked with them in the past, like I've sold bags to them and I've had really good experiences, but I've never actually shopped with them. And this was a bag that's been on my radar that I really wanted. So you see, I got the Fashionphile box. I did attempt to get this bag from the Chanel store. My essay, like, he was trying so hard. Oh my god, he really was. But he told me after he tried to get the bag for me, he's like, look, it was showing that there's only 3 in the nation. He's like, to be honest, I don't think we're gonna get that bag right now. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna check Fashionphile. I think I got it for an amazing deal, and it says it was in excellent condition, so we'll see. Oh, look how cute, guys. Look how pretty they boxed this, like, wow. And I got a little nail file. I like my money where I can see it, hang it in my closet. Okay. Kind of heavy. Okay, I'm so excited. So I wanted to make sure, one thing about it was I knew I was gonna have to get it pre-loved, otherwise I was probably gonna have to wait and hope that I could get my hands on it brand new. But like I said, I did find it in excellent condition, and I did make sure that it came with the authenticity card, as well as the dust bag. So it says new is the new. Sorry, used is the new. That is so cute. So this is the actual Chanel box, and it has the Chanel barcode on the side. Guys, I'm so excited. I really hope they were on point with the description. It said it was in excellent condition. Please be. Okay. Alright, so it has the Fashionphile dust bag. Guys, I'm so impressed so far. Like I said, I've never actually purchased on Fashionphile because I've always been so scared buying pre-luxury bags, especially with all like the counterfeit stuff going on. I've just been so scared. I mean, guys, let's be real, like, we're all human. People make mistakes. Who knows if 1 or 2 bags might get passed through by accident. So I've always just been really scared. Okay, it still has the Chanel. This is what I got, guys. So this is the small cocoa handle, and now that I'm looking at it, it actually looks pretty big. I thought it would be a little smaller, in caviar leather, which is something I also wanted because I wanted something that I could wear every single day. And you know, with lambskin, you do have to take good care of it. It is easier, although it does feel more luxury, it is, you know, easier to scratch and take care of. And this has the lizard embossed top handle. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just taking a quick glance at it because, like I said, it said it was in excellent condition. And I'm also, after this video, I am gonna put it again under a lot of light just to check it through one more time before I do take this tag off. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm also gonna send it, see if I get it authenticated again by a third party, just for my own peace of mind, before I decide to keep her. I do only have a few days, but if I'm being honest, there is some tarnishing on the front. But okay, let's just get into the bag. So it has the CC turn lock, and it comes with a detachable chain. So if you wanted to just wear a top handle, you could, or you could wear it with the chain. So it's inside black cloth material. So it does look like it has some pockets right here, 2 pockets, and then of course the famous like lip gloss or lipstick pocket that Chanel bags have. It has a zippered pocket right here, and then it also has a small little space in the back, which I don't know, maybe it could fit something slim back there, and a zipper pocket. Okay, and it does come with the authentication card. Oh my god, I don't know why I can't speak today. So I'm just not going to show the numbers because I know that all the numbers are unique, so I don't want to flip around the card, but it does come with it. And so far it looks in really good condition. I'm probably going to give you guys close-ups as well so you can kind of see the bag. Oh, and it also has the pocket in the back, but it's kind of tight. I don't even know what you could put in there. Maybe like receipts or something, I don't know, but it's kind of tight back there. Okay, so let's talk about the deal that I got on this bag. So this bag was from 2020 release, and they had it for below retail price, which was that's really good, because to be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna buy a bag pre-loved that's only maybe a few $100s shy of the retail price, or for retail and even above retail. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. At that point I probably would have just waited to see if I could get my hands on it. I think this bag has been pretty popular in Chanel. Like, I think they keep re-releasing it. Eventually could have gotten my hands on it, so if that was the case, I definitely wouldn't have brought it pre-loved. But I did save pretty good amount on this. Like I said, it was below retail. On top of that, this particular bag was on sale, and then Fashionphile also had an additional 10% off, which I was able to use on this bag. I think it was only select bags, but it worked for this bag when I put in the code. And then on top of that, they were giving out an incentive to shop. So I think you got $300 or $600 credit that you could get to shop if you purchase within a certain time frame. You spent a certain amount of money, they gave you kind of like a store credit to shop. It was just like an amazing deal. And like I said, I really wanted this bag so bad. It said it was in excellent condition, and I saw that it was like in like 34 people's carts, and I just got so nervous, and I was like, you know what, this is a steal. The sale ends today. I just can't give that up. So I decided to pull the trigger and get it, and I'm so happy. And it, like I said, it is a lot larger than I expected, because I tried on the small in the store, but it was like the pink version, all caviar pink, and it had the top handle with like the gold chains. That's the only small that they had in store, and when I tried that one on, it was like perfect size for me. So I thought this was going to be this exact same size, but to be honest, this looks like what they're selling as the medium now. Again, this is the 2020 version, but this looks very spacious. So this is top handle. This is how it looks. I'm 5'1" for reference, in case you're new to my channel, you don't know. And if you're not new, then you guys already know. I'm 5'1", about 120 pounds. This is how it looks like on the shoulder. Okay, and then if I wanted to wear crossbody, I think I could. I think it hits me at a perfect length if I wanted to wear crossbody. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if this is necessarily like a crossbody bag. I think it is really meant to be either top handle or shoulder. But again, you do what you want with your bags, okay? It's so beautiful. And guys, it does look like there's some tarnishing. I'm not sure. Maybe this just needs some like cleaning or some TLC. But if you guys know anything like how to clean maybe the bags, please let me know down in the in the comments down below. If you have any like tips or tricks, so at least, because I really do want to keep this bag. I just hope this doesn't bother me. I don't know, I guess I was expecting it to be a little bit more gold. But again, I don't know if because it's 2020 I should just let it go since I got it at a steal. Please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Alright guys, so I'm cutting in real quick just because I already filmed the unboxing of this beautiful bag the other day, and I finally made my decision. So I just thought I'd give you some eye candy while I talk with you guys real quick. As you can see from the close-ups, well, I hope you can really see it because I feel like the camera's not really doing it justice, but in person, like the tarnishing on the hardware is just really driving me crazy. And although I brought this bag at a steal, it still was extremely expensive to overlook. Now this bag is a 2020
version, so it's only 3 years old. I probably could have overlooked it if I brought it maybe like a vintage bag and it was like 20-30 years old. Maybe I could have overlooked it, but just knowing me, I feel like if I keep this bag, it's really going to drive me insane and I'm gonna be unhappy. I'm a little disappointed because it did say it was in excellent condition, and to be fair, the actual caviar leather itself, like, it's in great condition. But in my honest opinion, with tarnishing of hardware, I don't think it's fair to say that a bag is in excellent condition when you do have tarnishing going on. I feel like they probably should have put maybe very good, but again, that's just my opinion. I'm not sure exactly when Chanel changed up the sizes, but in 2020, this was considered the size small, and this is 11 inches across. So from here to here is about 11 inches. If you was to go into the Chanel store today for a cocoa handle, this would be considered the medium size. I did try on both the medium size and the small size, and the small size that I thought I was purchasing was the 9-inch, so it was a little bit smaller. So again, I kind of got the wrong bag, but again, that's not Fashionphile's fault. That's my fault for not doing the proper research to know exactly when Chanel changed like the small to the medium. I'm a little sad because this bag was beautiful. And like I said, if it wasn't any tarnishing going on. Alright guys, that's just my little rant. And I'm gonna go say goodbye to this bag, and I'm gonna pack it up really nicely so I can send it back on its way. Alright, bye.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for checking this video out. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new, don't forget to like and comment down below. I love talking to you guys. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.